Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. My name's Greg, and today we're going to take a look at the Euro New Zealand dollar. Okay, so last week we took a little short position here, hoping for a continuation past this level. Obviously that didn't occur. We rallied quite significantly since that time, actually surpassing this nice little level here that has previously acted as resistance, so we broke through, support, a little bit of resistance, push back through, and it's now acting as support. So what's next for this market? Well, I do favour some more continuation after this big bullish move, especially seeing as we're sitting on the top side of this support resistance zone. So let's jump down a couple of time frames. As you can see here, we're just now starting to put in this nice bit of structure here in this nice little channel. Got this big move off to the left, no structure in between. Next logical place for stops is down here. You and I know 90% of retail traders are not going to place their stops this far from the action. They'll all be positioned below this level here and potentially above this level here too. So what do we expect? Well, there is some news coming out for the New Zealand dollar. I think that's on Wednesday, obviously depending on what time zone you're in. So this may bounce around a little bit more until then. But essentially I'm expecting some kind of push down. We may even get a similar scenario to the Australian dollar, where we last week we had a dump and a pump. So this may drop below here, clear out these stops before rallying higher. This may even just push back up to this level, obviously start to head south before reversing. That would certainly get people's attention. You'd get all the breakout traders jumping in, going short here, and then all the retracement traders jumping in here, and then I'd be looking for some kind of failure candle before a rally to the top side. Equally though, this scenario could happen on the reverse side, on the top side. However, my preference is for a continuation after this big bullish move. Obviously, things to keep in mind if you are trading like this, always target the opposing side of the channel for a first target. It's obviously a sensible move. If you are trading multiple positions, I usually target multiple areas with multiple positions. Depending on how you trade, I'll leave that up to you to manage. Just some little areas of interest to obviously keep an eye on, and let's not exclude those tops there. Let's just pull that down a little bit further actually. But yeah, it's certainly something that I would like to see before getting involved in a trade like this. Anyway, traders, I hope you enjoy this sort of content. If you do, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, give it a share, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Trade safe. I'll see you in the next one.